16, 15, 21, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan. We were sailing day and night according to the big ocean until he saw
No.
The people met him very welcome on the shore. They didn't understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla git at waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha Humabon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized under the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan, so Christianized them everyone. But Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore, and I tried Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come a flood. Mactan Island, wait, go not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. And the battle began. Aton bolos and spurs versus guns and cannons. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled and cried and cried. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor, very sick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. That's the end of Magellan and the island of Mactan long time ago, ladies and gentlemen.